my friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about how to become an entrepreneur in 30 days. Look, you might think that 30 days is too soon to become an entrepreneur. But if you've been dreaming of starting a business and you know that you want to control your own income, your own lifestyle, and your time, then you want to listen up to this video because I got some inspiring and important information that you need to listen to. Before you even think about starting a business, you need a product to sell and a story to tell. You need a brand and you need to market that brand so much so that you can sell that brand. So what product or service do you have to offer? Maybe you're good at landscaping and you can work on people's yards. Maybe you're good at cosmetology and you're good with dealing with fashion and beauty. Maybe you're good at dealing with hair and you might be a hairstylist. Whatever it is, you've got to figure out what exactly are your talents and how you can generate revenue from selling those talents to the people that need it the most. That's how you become an entrepreneur. Now, the role of entrepreneurship is very simple. You've got to take a risk. You've got to say to yourself within the next 30 days, am I ready enough to use all my resources, my time, my energy, my money, everything that I have to throw into this business that I want to create? And then you got to take the leap. You see, a lot of people are afraid to take that risk. And if you're afraid of taking a risk, then you're never going to be able to start your business. Sometimes you have to start your business even if you feel like you're not 100% ready. You just got to take the leap. You just got to make it happen. You just got to dive in head first if you want to start your business. Now, when you start a business, you need three things. You need branding, you need marketing, and you need sales, and you need it in that order. You need branding because it's how you look. It's a reputation that you want to hold in the marketplace. Then you need marketing. You have to show people exactly what you think they need to see so that you can elicit a response from them and hopefully it's favorable. Then the next step is sales. Once you get a certain number of people to see what it is that you offer, then you have to make the sales and deliver the product or service that you know that they need. The first one is branding. What kind of story can you tell in your business? Is it your personal story or is it a story that you're borrowing from someone else? Is it a story about your business? Maybe it's about your parents. Maybe it's about your family. Maybe it's a story that isn't even about you or your business at all. You got to figure out exactly what kind of brand you want to put out there into the marketplace. Because your brand is your reputation, and your reputation is your best advertisement. What kind of story you want to tell? What kind of ideas you want to give people about who you are and what you do? What kind of headlines do you want to create? What kind of websites do you want to establish for your business? Now, you don't have to figure all this out on day one. You don't even have to figure this out in the next 30 days. But it's something to start thinking about. Because once you start putting it into your mind, eventually you're going to be able to manifest it in your business. You're going to find the means, you're going to find the resources, you're going to find the people that can help you put together a package, a brand that will help you to get it out there in your marketing. This leads us into the second step, marketing. Who are you trying to reach? And how do you want people to perceive you when you reach them? Remember, you create your own reputation, and the way you market yourself will determine how people actually see you. Not necessarily what you think they see, but what they actually see when you market to them. Now, you can market offline, you can market online. That's totally up to you. But either way, you have to determine how you want to do your marketing and how you want to be perceived in the marketplace. The whole entire point of marketing is to generate leads. You want people to say yes to your product or your service. And in order to market effectively, you have to appeal to people's emotions. You have to appeal to their logic. You have to appeal to what they know and what they want, their motivations, their desires, and their needs. And the moment you do that, they begin to reach out to you. When they reach out to you, then you follow the third thing, which is sales. You see, sales is the highest paying profession, but it's also the profession that can lead to the most depression. Because sales isn't always an easy thing to do. And even though it's one of the oldest professions of all time, it's a profession that must be mastered. You see, if you want to become an entrepreneur, if you want to become rich, you have to learn how to sell. Because in this world, there's only two positions in life. You either sell or you're getting sold. And most people are getting sold. You see, they're consumers when you need to be a producer. If you want to make money, if you want to start a business, you can no longer only consume. You need to produce. You can't just eat pizza, you gotta make pizza. You can't just live in a house, you gotta sell those houses. You have to do whatever it takes to produce the right product, the right service, the right ideas that you want people to buy, and you have to convince others that they really need it before they decide to give you their money, their hard-working money, for the value that you have to offer. Remember that nothing moves without a sale. And everything you're enjoying right now has been established by an entrepreneur. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you have to create something of value and sell it to somebody that really needs it. That money will eventually become your profit that later needs to be returned to your business or to other people that really need that money. Once you reinvest into your business, it will help you multiply and create amazing results in the long run. Alright, there you go, my friends. That's how you go from the dream stage to the become stage. That's how you go from being a wantrepreneur to an entrepreneur. That's how you make it happen. Now, if you're a freelancer or you're just starting up, or maybe you've been in business for a while and you really need my help, make sure to reach out to me at info@danielaldie.com because I really want to help you. I want to watch your business grow. I want you to hit your first 6 figures, your first 7 figures, your first 10 figures if that's what you really want. Whatever it is, you can accomplish any goal that you want. And if you're ready to start your business, then make it happen right now. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and leave a comment in the section below letting me know exactly what businesses you're working on right now. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.